Man's curiosity compels him to explore everything in the universe and to know its reality. This is the reason why today man is exploring the moon, stars, planets and galaxies, and with every passing day man is discovering something new in this universe. But viewers, you might be surprised to know that this world we live in is only a small part of this vast universe. You heard it right, this universe is so vast that our status in it is no more than a grain of sand in the ocean. In this video we will take a look at the vastness of the universe and find out how far the various planets or other astronomical bodies in the universe are from our Earth. But the question is, can we accurately estimate the size of this universe on scientific basis? Let's try to find out the answer to this question. According to scientists, 13.8 billion years ago, our universe came into existence due to an explosion known as the Big Bang. This was the starting point, when all the matter in the universe, which was previously confined to one point, after an explosion began to move away from each other very quickly and began to spread out into space. Since then, the universe has been expanding continuously and rapidly. Our Earth or world, which is a part of the solar system, is located in the galaxy called the Milky Way. Just as the Earth revolves around the Sun, our solar system revolves around the center of the Milky Way, and our solar system takes 230 million years to revolve around the center of the Milky Way. The Milky Way contains billions of stars like our Sun with one or more planets orbiting them, while there are countless galaxies like the Milky Way in this universe. This means that there are probably millions and billions of planetary systems in this universe, and our solar system is one of them. Our solar system consists of the Sun, 8 major planets including our Earth, a few dwarf planets and millions of other astronomical objects. If we look at the sky, the clearest and largest thing we see at night is the moon. But this moon is also at a distance of about 384,000 kilometers from our Earth. You can estimate this distance from the fact that around 30 Earths can be fit in the distance between the Earth and the moon. Venus, which is the closest planet to our Earth, is also at least 60 million kilometers away from the Earth during its rotation, whereas the Sun, which is the center of our solar system, has an average distance of 150 million kilometers from Earth, and it is also about 109 times larger than our Earth. Another unit is used to measure these large space distances, which is called the astronomical unit or AU. The distance of the Sun from the Earth, i.e. 150 million kilometers, is called 1 astronomical unit. The farthest of the giant planets in our solar system is Neptune, which is an average of 30 astronomical units from the Sun, but there are more dwarf planets in our solar system beyond Neptune. Sedna, a possible dwarf planet of our solar system, is located at a distance of 900 astronomical units from the Sun. While other astronomical objects in our solar system are spread to about 100,000 astronomical units. Voyager is currently the farthest man-made spacecraft from Earth, launched in 1977. The spacecraft is traveling away from Earth at a speed of more than 60,000 kilometers per hour and is currently about 23 billion kilometers or 159 astronomical units from Earth. But viewers, our solar system is so vast that even if this spacecraft continues at this speed for the next 30,000 years, it will not be able to leave even our solar system. On the other hand, in front of the vastness of this universe, the size of our solar system has no significance. Milky Way Galaxy. If we look outside our solar system, the closest star to the Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is 4.2 light-years from Earth. A light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. The speed is so high that light can travel more than 7 times around the Earth in 1 second, while sunlight reaches the Earth in about 8 minutes. By this calculation, 1 light-year is about 9.4 trillion kilometers, and thus, Proxima Centauri is 40 trillion kilometers from Earth. Similarly, Sirius, the brightest star in the sky, is 8.6 light-years or 81 trillion kilometers away from our Earth. But viewers, despite being so far from Earth, Sirius is still part of our Milky Way galaxy. According to an estimate, that our Milky Way includes more than 100 billion stars, including our Sun and even more planets. Our solar system is about 25,000 light-years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy, also known as the galactic center. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, and the distance from one edge to the other is more than 100,000 light-years. So far we have only talked about the size of a galaxy, the Milky Way. If we move outside our own galaxy, there are dozens of different galaxies surrounding our Milky Way. However, the closest of the large spiral galaxies is the Andromeda Galaxy, which is 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. Moreover, there are hundreds of galaxies within a distance of 5 million light-years, which are called the local group of galaxies. Viewers, even more massive than this is a large cluster of galaxies known as superclusters. The supercluster in which our Milky Way galaxy is located is called the Virgo supercluster. There are thousands of galaxies and billions of stars and planets in this one supercluster. The Virgo supercluster is about 100 million light-years across. Viewers, the journey is not over yet. Scientists are now aware of the presence of more or less 10 million superclusters in this universe, which contains more than 350 billion galaxies as large as our Milky Way. All this is the part of the universe that science has explored so far in different ways. All this part of the universe is called observable or visible universe. In short, our Earth, home to millions of different species and with a human population of around 8 billion, is a tiny fraction of the visible universe. The diameter of our Earth is about 12,500 kilometers, while the boundaries of our solar system are about 15 trillion kilometers away. Our galaxy, which contains our solar system, has a span of 100,000 light-years, while the nearest galaxy is 2.5 million light-years away, and the distance from one corner to another corner of this visible universe formed by billions of galaxies is about 93 billion light-years. The number of astronomical objects in this visible universe is more than all the grains of sand in the world. So far we have been able to observe only those places in the universe whose light has reached us, or we have been able to get their light or radiation through deep space scientific missions. Scientists have tried to estimate the total volume of the universe with the help of different algorithms and computer programs. According to an estimate, our universe is about 250 times larger than the visible universe, while another study suggests that the universe is several times larger. But how vast the universe really is and what is beyond this visible universe, no one has the answer. Since our universe is constantly expanding, and in some places this expansion is more than the speed of light. So it will never be possible for humans to observe these places. It is practically impossible for man to estimate the size of this universe in real terms. And the right answer lies only with the creator of the universe. So viewers, how did you like this informative video on universe? Let us know your opinion.